Steve here with the 𝗟𝗓𝗢𝗏.com, the channel where we help cleaning business owners scale their businesses with systems, controls, tools, and resources. Where should you be spending your marketing dollars at? Well, there's a number of different places you can go do it. You could spend it online. You could purchase a database. You could do some postcards and flyers and other mailings like that. Or you could actually spend it on your website. There's many places you can spend your marketing dollars, but the thing is that you have to know what your buyers are doing. So what I mean by that is we have to know what words, what key phrases and words that they're using when they're doing any searches. That really will help you determine where you're going to be spending your marketing dollars. Sure, you're going to spend it online on your website. You have to have the SEO. But the keywords and phrases that you use are going to be a key for them to find you, and we want to use that throughout all of our marketing materials. Now, something else you want to do is that you've got to identify your buyer persona. Now, everybody should know who that is. So what I mean by that is that you want to create a piece of paper to where you've written down exactly what that buyer looks like. Are they a male, female? What age are they? What kind of wages do they make? Where do they live? Different things like that there. That's what I mean by your buyer persona. You have to know these things. And that there also gives you a good indicator of how they spend their money. So that's the first thing that you got to do, is that you have to know what your buyers are doing. Then something else you should be doing is you got to develop a strategy. That includes your social media and the web, and you have to know why you're utilizing the tools that you select. That's very important. The tools should be based on the research that you've done when you did your buyer persona research. So that's kind of a clear giveaway there. So the research that you do on your buyer persona is going to give you and tell you which tools you should be using for your marketing. Something else you want to consider is, like I said before, you have to improve your SEO. You have to. Without good SEO, search engine optimization, your clients and your prospects are not going to find you. Because today everybody is typing on the web. They get on the internet and they're typing in there, cleaning services in XYZ city, and if you're not optimized, you're not going to be found. So it's very, very important for you to have a SEO. On your website. Now let me tell you this, SEO doesn't happen overnight. You have to create a lot of content, you have to use keywords and phrases, and it doesn't happen overnight. It could take you 6 months before you actually start getting some real action from your SEO. So keep that in mind. Many business owners think that just because they've created some content and did some search words and terms optimization, that, now they should have the leads pouring in. Well, it doesn't work that way. So just keep that in mind. You're going to have to invest in your SEO, and it's going to take a little time for that to pay off. So have patience. Don't do like so many others. They'll set up a program or do a marketing program, and then just because they're not seeing the leads and stuff that they want, they go ahead and they dump it. Don't do that. You have to give it time. SEO takes time. Anybody that tells you that it doesn't, I think I'd find somebody else to help me with my SEO. So keep that in mind. So again, make sure that you know what your buyers are doing. Make sure that you can identify your buyer persona, do your research, and then improve your SEO. Now, one thing that you can do is that you can go to the Janitorial Store or My House Cleaning Biz and download, in the download library, if you go there and you type in the search box persona, you'll find a client profile template. Now, you'll be able to use that to help create your buyer personas, which is really a key for what we're doing with any of our marketing. We have to know who we're targeting, and that client profile template will absolutely do that. It will give you your buyer persona. So, well, hopefully you got something from this video, and if you did, go ahead and feel free to make some comments and share. And if you have not already, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. And remember to turn on those bell notifications to get notifications for any additional videos that we do. And you know, we're doing usually about two videos a week. Sometimes we do more than that. But by having the bell notifications on, you'll get notified when those come out. So do that, and thanks for checking in today, and we'll see you next time.